Hello students. In the previous video we have discussed about project coordination procedure and what are the two important aspects we have discussed. It's the physical aspects and timing aspects, and what are the questions it is asking, that also we have discussed. And we are also scheduling the details of schedules which has to be undergone, or which should be which is over what type of work should be done. Now after completion of that, once the stage is set, the day-to-day coordination in a project is ensured. So these three things has to be done, and first one is squad checking. So what are the teams are there, its checking needs to be done. Then coordinate the meeting, because to coordinate the things it is very important to have a meeting of the project managers, the group leaders, the stakeholders. So whatever changes are needed, that is done after this meeting, the coordination meeting. And also the communication, the messages in the mobile phone. Even though some projects are executed in the site, these are some of the essential things as far as the coordination is concerned. Now let us discuss about some of the prerequisites for the successful implementation of the project. To minimize the time, cost, overruns, and even to complete the project successfully, to achieve the goal, it is very important to do all these things. The prerequisites means, when the term prerequisite comes, means before starting the project, what things has to be ready. That is prerequisites, pre-requirements of the project before they begin. Some of the prerequisites of successful projects are adequate formulation, sound project organization, proper implementation planning, advance action, timely availability of the funds, judicious equipment rendering and procurement, better contract management, and effective monitoring. If it is asked what are the different prerequisites, list, then you have to list. There are 8 prerequisites are there, and all these prerequisites we will discuss one by one in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this.